kindergarten. Today is Friday. Everybody do it with me. Friday. Great job. It's Friday, May 8th, and I am so excited that it's finally the weekend. We just got to get through our work today and then we get to relax and have fun. The weather is getting to be so nice outside, and so hopefully we'll all get to enjoy some time in the sunshine this weekend and just really enjoy being with our family. Boys and girls, I challenged you yesterday a lot, and I'm going to do the same again today. There are some new things I'm going to be teaching you today though, so that I'll obviously teach you, but I'm going to challenge you again because you're getting so smart that I think you can do morning work on your own, just like you did yesterday. Do you think you can do it? I know you can do it. I will go through our pictures just like we did yesterday too. It was so great to see you on Zoom yesterday. I've missed you so much, and thank you for bringing your things for show and share, and for sharing your ice cream sundaes with us. Oh, they made me so hungry for ice cream sundaes. I think I'm gonna have to go get some ice cream today. Maybe moms and dads will let you build your perfect ice cream sundae today or this weekend at home. Let's go ahead and look at morning work together. I forgot. Before we can look at morning work, there is one new thing on your morning work today, and I think it's so silly and I can't wait to teach you. How many of you know what a pirate says? Pirate says, "Arr, matey," right? Can you do that with me? Arr, matey. Good job. Well, that arr sound is actually not just the letter R. That R, or R, is spelled with two letters today. And those two letters are our letters A, R together. And when A, R come together, it says the sound R. You're going to be using that today as you do your morning work. Let's go ahead and look now at your morning work. All right, on your morning work today, this is the word golf, gate, hive, house, juice, zoo. There's that R sound. Jar, bar, rake, rag, car, marshmallow, and gum. Those are the words for your paper today. Go ahead and do all the work. You got this. I believe in you. Okay, math today is brand new, but we got this. It's taking something we've been practicing and just adding another step to it. So it's okay if it's a little bit tricky at first. We're gonna just practice it today. You'll practice it on your own. Moms and dads will help. And if you have any questions, just email me and we'll figure out a time to Zoom so I can help you. Okay, so today your paper has you starting with something like this. And I want you to just watch for right now. This one's not on your paper. We are going to be starting with our number bond, and we have our whole number already. We need to find our two parts. The two parts they want us to take are our tens and our ones. So how many tens do we have? We have 1 10, and when we have 1 10, we know that that's our number 10. So in our first bond circle, in our first part, we're going to write our number 10 because we have 1 10, so it's the number 10. Then how many ones do we have? We have 3 ones. So our other missing part is our number 3. Okay, so you're going to take the 10 for the first part and then the 3 for the second part. 10 and 3. Then down below it, we're going to be writing 2 number sentences that describe these numbers and how they are related to each other. Because these numbers are all in a family together. We've got one parent and we got 2 kids, and they all come together and they love each other. Well, let's watch what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take my first part. What's my first part? 10. And I'm gonna write it here on the first line. 10, what's this sign mean? Plus, good. 10 plus, what's my next part? 3. 10 plus 3 equals, what's my whole number? 13. 10 plus 3 equals 13. Good. Now we're gonna start this next one. This one's brand new, okay? This is a little tricky. We're gonna start with our whole number, okay? So this time we're gonna start with our 13. But is that a minus sign? No, it's an equal sign. We're taking this number sentence and flipping it. So we're taking it from like this and putting it like this. So we now have 13 is way over here. 13 equals 10 plus 3. Still the same numbers. So our first number sentence was 10 plus 3 equals 13. Well, boys and girls, 13 equals 10 plus 3. We're just saying it backwards, okay? You're gonna be doing this today on your math paper, and I know it's a brand new idea, so it might be a little bit tricky. Do your best. It doesn't have to be perfect, right? Because it's brand new. We're gonna be practicing this a lot over the next few weeks, so you'll get it. If you don't understand it today, just be patient and try your best. Good luck, I believe in you. For reading today, you're gonna keep working on your new reading levels. I hope that you're getting the hang of that new level. I know it's harder, but the more you practice and the more you read things that are a little bit harder for you, the easier it will become and the better reader you will be. So keep working hard. You're gonna read 3 times and answer the questions. Then on the back today, we have a rhyme time paper. And so we're going to be identifying the picture, and then below the picture are 2 words. Your job is going to be to circle the word that rhymes with our picture. Okay, so you'll have to read the words below in order to pick out the one that rhymes. Okay, so this is our word rip, big, win, kit, lid, fix. So your job is going to be to circle the word that rhymes with each picture. It's a little tricky, go slow and find the word that ends with the same 2 sounds, right? You're just changing the first sound and keeping the end sounds the same when you're looking for words that rhyme. Go ahead and practice this. Today, you are finishing up your persuasive writing about your ice cream sundae. So delicious. I hope you've eaten some ice cream. If not, that's okay. Hopefully you'll get a chance to do that soon. Today, you're going to be working on your last reason. So you've already written reasons number 1 and reason number 2 why your ice cream sundae is the best. You're now going to write reason number 3 why your ice cream is the best. And then after you finish writing that, you're gonna check your work, okay? You need to make sure, did you start with a capital letter for reason 1, 2, and 3? If you did, then you'll do a check mark. Don't just check, check, check. Actually go back and look. Do I have a capital letter? Do I have a capital letter? Do I have a capital letter? If not, fix it. And then once you've fixed it, then do your check mark. The next one is your finger spaces. So go back and look. Do I have a finger space between each of my words so that I can see where one word stops and a new word starts? If you have finger spaces, then check it off. But again, don't just check it. Go actually look. Then the last one is your punctuation. Do you have a period, an exclamation mark? If so, at the end of each one, again, you need to have one at the end of each reason. Then check it off. You're doing a great job persuading me that your ice cream sundae is better than mine. I can't wait to hear why you think your ice cream sundae is the best. Okay? After you finish this, get ready because next week you're going to be persuading me some other things. Okay? Again, with persuasive writing, you're trying to convince me to feel the same way that you feel. I hope you have a great weekend and we'll see you next week. Bye.